party this upon in crop for the Omoyen this time no. It is out of concern. Mahu say Kennedy Agyapong in crop for now no more was some that. Mahu say Kennedy Agyapong crop for us as here a jaw Mohoma. You do more adrenaline. You do more adrenaline dear group na adena yase sabio party a friend MPP no enam to me be a ye painting no camp be omo yayira because they have really got it wrong. They have got everything wrong because me say Kennedy Agyapong camp for no, there are no more MPP people. I was saying to me stating straight, direct, face to face. Yen to me can see the super. Yen to me can see the pain. Say Kennedy Agyapong ni biano, and now me no ka say onyam MPP ni fatuti, onyam MPP ni. The entire Kennedy Agyapong supporter onyam MPP ni ne say obi bi ozo di Kennedy Agyapong achi biano. Empanfo a omo na party ni si won so a ye from MPP for empanfo no Kennedy Agyapong supporters etan omo nyina timi ye pa komo pa na me no di nkomo na kwa ni mu because I was saying ni e ho nkomo na yetoto adwene kakra ma me o kind flawless mo akwa cha o comment style 2 Kennedy Agyapong krofo no bra mimia aja ha wutie me. And you want to say, your party member, you free team, and now so die Kennedy Agyapong supporter be a party member. This is what you have to set it straight. Because in Kebeye mi why me say because of internal election, Obi ebe to me afọ no ankasa ni party member edna ko opposition party and I can say the opponent party or power say the party member way why you say in teaching it to me power as in that common ye no I come be very simple. We are talking ye didn't come up and you show giddy that be we are coming to focus on ye make some kind of analysis when you never be no more now my church will never be so any so my point of view and I'm a babeka. Aye, usu to me join me now so be chewadwen and they normal. But as some the me person men can in Tony party no say obi bi odi Kennedy Agyapong wachi enne bia no onye MPP ni na de nti ameke so onye MPP ni ne say san krofo no nyina no omo ne MPP fo mpanfo nyina ewo especially one can call Kennedy Agyapong the camp. Eti ubetime ya MPP ni panyini pa. Ubetime anya tumi kese power party no. Ubetime aye nipa bi a sebio wanum asem esombo e wo party no. Ebetime aba se wudi bere bi a wudi no party no. Ekita jambere kese pa e wo MPP. But enkopem se wompe anase bia wonjina ho ma Kennedy Agyapong so no mena medi party na nim no nko ade automatically wo turn to become an enemy of Kennedy Agyapong camp. Enti so uhunu say na ohwe ni say ya ene kire o say ken crofo no omunya MPP fo biem because ena me no kasai almost MPP for nyina ya kromfo the lax administration no akromfo nko a hey kromfo po mo yare o ilahu and now me no kasai enkrofo no mo di Kennedy Agyapong wachi no almost MPP for mpanfo ana na danko akufo ado abreso na nado ema omo jina bre e wona ban mu no omo nyina e ya akromfo tio na party ni ben and the be who say the party leadership no omoya kromfo na say who say o party leadership omoya kromfo dia na wahu dia say wo twon ho afiri omo ho so omo enti say Kennedy Agyapong kromfo an say ne nanado Gabi ochire da akon je kufo nana kumia hwa bi mo bu amanfo odire mame nkrofo mu kita tumi wo party no mu sabio bi omo prefer say Dr. Bawumia na mmra no mmra medi party na nim no and Kennedy Agyapong nkrofo say omo ya kromfo enti omo ahya ase a omo pekwa mbi so di omo akwa polisifo ana so omo di omo akwa NDC abanse onje won entwe wona so temiye pa ene yesori free yesori ya Kennedy Agyapong nkrofo akofa saade we aba betu media no say the last administration of the MPP no nkrofo munya ginambre wo aban no munyira na yakromfo na me can't be so because nkrofo ni bi no mo nwene mko akiri omo adwini so politics na amanfo eye no media no me advance anka me wakwa papa Francis wonso me wakwa papa politics and I no media no so na nya agro na ye deal so red mecha Adam sia ya mecha and yeah so red mecha also ye politics o media no mo enya agro na nyepedi enti amanfo is psychological game and this if what shall say ye adwuma for the 2028 election na adwuma na omo ye no omo ahya ase wa adwenem and omo ye omo adwuma so they are using the psychological manner to condemn the MPP before even we go to the general election. Now there be a mechanical MP NDC for Canada be so mono answer and be election no omo hwehwe kwa mbi so kwa on be fa so a omo betumi anya MPP fo a omo be cancel bone e de afa MPP ho because MPP ni cancel bone e de fa MPP ho a sa asem no Ghana ni ba ejitum essence NDC ni e be cancel bone e de afa MPP ho enti enam sa asunti no NDC fo akwa Kennedy Agyapong ene ne camp wachi ena omo fuel the battle no but you tell me pa Kennedy Agyapong nkrofo no enam se bebre na adwene no eye lower IQ people na omankoyo omo ho nipa bi na ye padwuma na yi na o sika na omo nhyeram classe e make critical analysis of issue you and this for to me afa kwambi so boa won se mba yo mbetumi identity mu kese aba party no enti na wo hwa sabio Kevin Taylor mpa otumi di Kennedy Agyapong atem edi nipakum to ne so etrete no eka de opebia fa no ene Kevin Taylor mpo no ashase a o defend Kennedy Agyapong na o san country Kennedy Agyapong supporters say semuko kodi Dr. Bawumia chi a after winning next say mo ho hey Mr. Mo Kennedy Agyapong nkrofo mo mama adwene mu now adwene ma mu now campaign na ye no mo menye yen kan say intellectual campaign because someone who you know am fa madwene amma mo hona mo nyusu madwene anye de mo de ye na mo imagine say mo de emotion and e be campaign de ama Kennedy Agyapong mo ye beto abana wie no se Kennedy Agyapong kura wene a se Kennedy Agyapong po etimi wene a ebe ye mo dran se mo panyini no obetumi ababedi akonwa no e wo man because adwuma na NDC for them more no adwuma bi a ano edere pa NDC for the Kennedy Agyapong ne nkrofo adwuma ditia MPP amanyoko no den pa na ayana nipa ne binu munti asem se mo bekaya before primaries of 2023 na ye frema maybe Maria Makwa Boadu mo kai pa sama me no o hyase yenim so NDC ni o hyase ede ne ho eben MPP kakra ena oton ne ho de kire Ghana for so MPP ni akire yi na o san twen ne ho ede gina baabi ena o hyase kan sema mu eduru editia MPP for mpanfo de ne sie ne se abra ye ba be ko promises no maami we tumi de ne ho kobo Kennedy Agyapong ema Kennedy Agyapong je ne tumu ene ne ye movement ema ne some informations are na very sensible ebi ne to say MPP delegates or phone numbers but you tell me yepa MPP your friend is saying delegates or phone numbers and na Kennedy Agyapong share that at the mama no adentia Kennedy no wo no but be American say I don't understand why his supporters no what that kind of fully support Kennedy my president Mamia odidi Kennedy Agyapong atem ye kwakwe Kennedy Agyapong ni team operation maamene se papa ni mu manen san mabiem ye mu binom ye begina bonten ebe kon tokwa kese e de ma Kennedy Agyapong ye mu binom ye so de gina ho ne maami kon yi sa onya nkwase akeka na o ka no be ye hu de si ye na Kennedy Agyapong atumi asan de ne ho akɔhye maami wei ama maami no tumi kɔtron no ankasa ne TV so kasa na ɔde be catch information afi ye ko election general election no na maami na hura tena media yi so a o kasa dendende pa edema NDC na o kasa nso a na wasen aka sisu se memi ya MPP ni na de mahu ni de mahu ntino na mpese meka ho be because we ni na MPP fo aye adwuma enkrofo na omudi na chi a na omutie ni show a na omu believe se oye Kennedy Agyapong nipa na omu believe se oye MPP ni no ensema ma America fa MPP ho during the election no enkrofo na to mutim adwene se maami wo ye MPP ni ampa because yene no ena na ye campaign de Kennedy Agyapong yene no ena na ye konante se ye kohwehwe Samira Bawumia ni fie yene no ena ye kogina sabio mantamu a Samira Bawumia na busuate e ka kire Ghana for se hwefie a otim modi omamo hwe me maami efu adex mo akwa na komia nso mo akwa amwako mo akwa pa ana oye ya enti nsema na ma amene ka no MPP fo na omo support Kennedy Agyapong a omode Kennedy Agyapong ho do ekodi Marie Boakwa Boadu na chi no campaign na ma amene yedi ti MPP no sa na tiefo no omo fa ne World Cup say asem na ma amene ka na ye no kore. That is the same thing that is happening here today. Me ba san kan mo akwa bapa the ekoso na no the same thing the same thing na mo maye wure mfiri se coming to the dikan ka se ono no ni mission pa ne se 2028 emedru no na wasai MPP party no enye se bi obefa tuo Kennedy Agyapong krofo mu ntie nyansa o Kennedy Agyapong krofo mu ntie nyansa enye se bi obefa tuo e de akogina bonten edi akokuma MPP fo na yeswat na ye party ne asayo dabi obe create internal confusions because you see together we win, divided we lose. Enti de NDC fo ye na nei and say omunimu say ye kosroba forma Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia and the Bawumia elections no aye ba ko 31st January no me means row me catch row ye di politics ye chiache ya ye political sense pen aye so kosroba forma Dr. Bawumia Bawumia election no because the architecture MPP party need esi horo the structure na say can say second be say structure ewo twikasam ye ka structure mfa ne say the structure of the party no actually say Dr. Bawumia no more than ever enti so far as the structure no aka say Dr. Bawumia no more than ever no okosoro ba forma doctor obeba na onim de ya ne se ya mayani anahwa a NDC fo ombekeka yetia bom aman ntawantawa betuto yemu enti santawantawa na betuto yemu no Dr. Bawumia enwe ni wie na yekwa akotoba ne 2028 ya ebetumi edi the same effect of 2024 no ababiem but Kennedy there ono no ohwehwe Kennedy Agyapong so ntumi win prime minister mejina as president onim na the oye ne say you see the group of victims and Kennedy Agyapong person won create enti ono sade na oye no na NDC for ehye in fact ma me kan okranchiro technical strategical sa nkrofo na bebre na omode Kennedy Agyapong aye omo PD omode aye omo WhatsApp profile omode aye omo Facebook profile TikTok profile na hwan na hwan bebre no omo ye NDC for they are not MPP people ente yo mo no omo kanja no gumu yie enti so ya MPP ni na also the Kennedy Agyapong wachia one way here no what feel he said there is a group, you are not alone utemiye since we Kennedy Agyapong ni no sa na ma na NDC fo no ye no MPP amanyoko num no a omode ekeka ye ti bom no we Kennedy Agyapong supporter won so no gradually ubasha ase anya otan bi wo mu against the MPP because that is what they are nursing omu dia otan amanaba beto MPP amanyoko num I don't know more yet because they are doing that through Kennedy Agyapong and Kennedy so otiasie sa eye akobi no mo ateki but enkrofon kura na mudi echi amunnim actually what is going on no at the higher table no you are just falling a victim to situations Mukuranu, your minds can never think of that. Temiye pa. Papa na mudi na chino. During 2024 election, obi oso MPP ni or sponsor independent candidate ama omukoji tumi inkonya ewo parliament omukoji free ono ankasa ni party members obonsam. Papa na mudi na chino. Ono otumi eyi ahwintade ene plana MPP de agu kwai mu so mode ko constituency akokon ede age ofene parliamentary seat no ono Kennedy Agyapong to make sa secret no e de kire independent candidate Kennedy Agyapong ono ne constituency ana ote ho no wadi akonya 24 good years enam say pese party ne benye gina bre ewo ama abana na ekwa akotoro ana parliament na ye bebe ode no otimi bo modern katana ni eye campaign ditia ono ankasa enipa na oba besi na nan mu ewo parliament Be be na men kanchiro. Ono wɔ ne personal agenda bia. Ono no e wɔ ne personal agenda bi against the party called MPP. So what you know who here you fell a victim to his traps. Hey, my man chawade. Enti oye wuso obi a also ye MPP ni. Enti odwene say MPP ni ben enenya adaje. Ekotra ase say the 10 cents of Bawumia Agyapong. Temiye pa. Odwene say MPP ni bi ena say the nya adaje ekotra ase say or trade the 10 cents of Bawumia Agyapong. What be so on same way that? What be so on? Hey, Bawumia Agyapong, oye den you, Papa way or young people ni. Papa way, Olusua, let me tell you, no matter whatever he has been doing, on himself Olusua we. Na nyen semi na nebetimi aka na wa bonten. Eduru ba bia Papa way otuja, na ja na oto na wa asechire. Eye ni da ho ja na oto. Or young people ni or yeto abani yolu so he is going to join Dr. Bawumia to work to win power. And painful no mudi animu, they know what they are doing. Papa we on time Bawumia or kwambia so jimina me tra ha kan chiro temi ye a strategy bi and omudi agu kwan mu. O say ya wadu twem onim so ntimi nwene a strategy bi and omudi agu form. Kwabena Japan onim so ntimi nwene a strategy bi na omudi agu form. Enti MPP ni ben and a kwatena ase eko compose this sort of 10 cents of Bawumia Agyapong. Wanya copy way that above edi can buy me internet search bi wo your machine bi a ade bi e beba bontene bi a if you want to see baby ayeye na etimi ya kire okurokura we ye no America ye won ye America kuru bi a kwasi ampanyi bi e se Kennedy Agyapong out so me ye research na hono de man hono mo tire sa de we hono mo tire the first statement na ba ya na ya tire the 10 cents of Bawumia Agyapong no me ankasa me share da e ye me personal your friend say originated addressing system me am ye e de ma me Kennedy ni kura otim ahonom ko yesa ade we eno sha de beto abonten adentia to create problem say so be di Bawumia Agyapong wachi no hu ade we ya ne bubefu se Bawumia nkrofo na omo aye ne de ntokwaba Neden tokwaba ni ashase ni kan bi kire yen ho ni edidi yen ho atem na omo ani age because said you see 2024 no that is the same way that the NDC wishes to say the 2028 election no ebeko what said Bawumia Agyapong say uhemu a enkrofo omo di na chi omo yam MPP for ankasa they are few. But Kennedy Agyapong krofo na omo di na chi no bebre na anu ya NDC fo na omo ayi omo titi say they are supporters eye plan bi NDC fo ahye da fa na wodan mu a omo execute e wa abonten enti edi we aba anam se Bawumia Agyapong oye intelligent no nim de e kontrade we o de sere wan fa anya issue but now look at this. Papa we so ye dren dia ba beto ho sade we sabi we Kevin Tera na ye yo I'm Jacob this works sanyema we nyina originated by Kevin Tera na nka the 10 no sorry I'm making a mistake sorry I'm making a mistake nye we ya ma me fight the main image na make am asem no No, my who image. In any case, Sadia is a funny 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. Sadia, hey, a young DC for the generator. A young DC for the generator. Because they want to fuel a fight in the MPP. They just want to fuel a fight in the MPP. Say the bay ever said the bay a man for the can MPP for this is the Diana Muye and MPP Amanyoko and said at it and got to Obama one will be no other to Obama or one apart with the Guna wine or a shed there be no marshada. Omo dia man for agni diagro because omo per se omo winning the 2028 abano psychologically and sana the day of 7th December 2028 no ababetru enti so hemu yi a enkrofo no modi Kennedy Agyapong achi no in their terms of communication. They disown Bawumia even as the former vice president of the republic and in the name of their party. Enye bodam sema. Senye bodam anadam ene nipa wabwa. Obi a wabejina o party anaimu. Adi vice president. Di oye yenyina. You are telling me so wanye hwe. Adwuma Bawumia boye. Emma Sabio, Zimbabwe for Tumi Bagana, Ebeji idea ni bi. UK for Etimi Bo Minum, Ebeji idea no bi. John Mahama, Eguso, Kope, Ogusu, Kopi Bawumia Niema. Or Kopi ni serious pa. Gold board on wine and wine. Many of them, Nina ideas of Dr. Bawumia no more copy. Now will be also young people. Utimi jina kamera nim hwe kamera nim pa kata wani eka kire Bawumia se wa mo homodene adentia enam se unyansa no wo fom ntino enkrofo no omo tan wo party no omo pese wo party be kona nim no omo te akire ena omo di patro egu ja ya soso ena e ba igum ena amanfo so eko. Na die me ya no se ene ye koda sore ya rade ene die akwa we ni video no kula wa akwa we ene akwa we na defend Kennedy Agyapong rade
Kennedy Agyapong ni masi nipa bia omunya nipa anka with all due respect
for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Omu Kennedy Agyapong ni masi nipa bia omunya nipa anka with all due respect Kennedy Krafie yaka say omu be perform kura Kennedy will not allow no. Today those people are looking in the face of Kennedy Agyapong calling themselves MPP for telling Kennedy Agyapong things are on a normal day nobody will tell him. I'm speaking as an MPP person today. You see there we won party ni mo no. There e koso hwe ensem bia nipa ka on a normal day abronya DC Saboy we etna ready say Bawumia and the boss na ono ne boss e Bawumia ye mbie ni tiri so na e den ye fa obi a ye bie ni tiso a technically wa bodam to come and lead the NPP or to chairman won to me radio so and all catch we as say ready go Kennedy Agyapong because of politics boy we the coca was a dien a low life
radio Coca akoka na asem simple if you want to address asema Coca ya you talk about Coca bisa won say adentia chama wontumi movement TV onye adwuma wo ho onte konso anim bisa won say adentia bo we ya o kasa jimini we oto o kasa obo Dr. Bawumia dini na osanso bo chama wontumi dini e planting ye make sure say Bawumia no ene nkrofo omudi na chi no ye ma omo ho meyahi e wo nkrofo na omudi Kennedy Agyapong achi nyina said the Baya Babia Bawumia Bejina, Babia Untumi Bejina, Babia Chama Bronya Bejina, Babia Nana Kumia Bejina, Babia every Nipa Bio di Bawumia Chibejina Biano. Kennedy Agyapong supporter and supporto Emma in human caution. Very planting. And Sakwasi and Penny we are. Ultimate for Kennedy Agyapong see hot now for more than 1.5 hours. No dinner tem. Yet MPP for now. Kennedy Agyapong. Unyan TV Biasio. You were Dr. Bawumia and Crofona Yeka Saman wo machine so. Ye metra ha enidi watemo. Me metra nka se Kennedy Agyapong ye kwasiada. Me ntumi nka sa emane ye. But metchira wo die nti a me feel say you don't fit to lead the party. That is what I will tell you for the victory. So, but won krofo no mom and no try to create a kind of enemies in the same party. Enemies in the for the structure of the party. And I'm so much support to the idea say Kennedy Agyapong be president. But ni nyina chi no eye nkrofo we na church na omo di patro guso. Omo na omo sapatro no di go jansa mana e dere no. Omo fa patro no no mo hwere se bua na jananche. Omo na church re. Omo na church no omo fuel. Now, listen to what this guy is saying. Koka sem e movement TV. Bawumia onye adwuma wo, right? Why be untumi onye adwuma movement TV. Enti se koka ka asem a odwene se enya asem ese ne fata. Na edi kantia Kennedy Agyapong a movement TV Bawumia onye adwuma wo. Jimmy abronye ni studio ho Bawumia onti hobi. Untumi onti hobi. Obia na ekasa. Se de Kennedy Agyapong krofo tumi kasa. See the Kennedy Agyapong krofo e deep them no. Dr. Bawumia ho so nipa bi nso e hye no e kona komam so no ankasa take ni tumi ni personal decision say obe defend Bawumia in the same manner Kennedy Agyapong krofo e insult to Dr. Bawumia. Edu osu free wo kwase ampanyi wo ya utimi di Kennedy Agyapong atem ede ne ma na yere na se ene obi edi na tem bone kromfo wudi ni ne hwane wo ene you are defending Kennedy Agyapong adentia. He is making sure to create enemies among the MPP. We the conservative
Kennedy car tie baako ebetima hwe boy we ene ne maame kopin so mewu. Kennedy Agyapong ne car tie baako ebetima hwe boy we ne maame ne papa ekopim so mewu. But boy we because of politics Bawumia ehyedechi etna TV so because of primaries ebie na no ka che Kennedy say ono ne boss Bawumia yembie na adwene so on board am na yede ne kofa obi a yebie na adwene so say omeye party ne flag bearer. I'm going to be very honest here. But who's a Kennedy call for no air campaign, but when you compare Bawumia nkora na nyoma omoka in summer omoka wo TV so the radio so against Kennedy Agyapong. Then I ask myself, Kennedy Agyapong, after all this, Sankofo we frel sebedi omuchi campaigner, are you going to get up from your house?
Ti assembly year. And some Kennedy Agyapong krofo kan wo media so. Next 2 TV, Oman FM, some YouTube, Facebook. When you mufasu di Dr. Bawumia tem and some of moka and an yiri Ghana ni and now your one and wine and some bebrebo moka in a question penny ways on you. But dear Noka, I say, Kennedy Agyapong who bayan and wawa. Say Bawumia Barene. Na Kennedy best sorry say or ye campaign the ama Dr. Bawumia. Dear no criti, he is inciting hate among the people. Because we ought to wait. On him said Dr. Bawumia ben winning 100%. Hey, the victory of Dr. Bawumia 2026, February, it is unstoppable. Dr. Winnie promise, no, and he is going to be the opposition leader from 2026 February, and he will become the president on 7th January 2028. Now, according who say Dr. Bawumia, and now, let's try to make sure say obi biara or support to Kennedy Agyapong or MPP ni kakra na omo MPP for no omo mpia bonten konkoto abamfa ma Dr. Bawumia. Enti yemma Kennedy Agyapong krofo no mfiri say omo mom no omo ye victim to the MPP party. Temiye pabusia we analysis keto bi na ye yo. Analysis keto bi na ye. They want to make sure say Kevin Taylor wants to make sure say obi bi odi Kennedy Agyapong achi bia no ebe feel say or a victim to the system or the party or the organization called MPP. Enti Kennedy Agyapong bewe so we are Kennedy nkrofo mo sympathize ma Kennedy ma mo nkonkoto abamfa ma MPP. This is what this guy wants to say. But when he say or Canada, it can be heard differently. And to the moral kakra atare ho. Moral kakra atare ho. Ah, nanti sabio. sabio. Ah, okaman. Osi ompeni dompa. No si okra emefa nko ana. Ana nkura mefa nko. Nima ma me da na me akwa papa. So okra man. God me dem akwa ba. Okra man si ompeni dompa. Na eche se ekura ana se okra emefa nko ana. Davida Kennedy Agyapong no the person can say on to me the leader of the party on fan to the team. It is for the party. But so when you MPP media, you will feel the said the Kennedy Yamanaba Medintu Konkotuaba. But aqua way fuel, aqua no fuel or the petrol Gusumana Derecase. In Tibedru Horon, or more support to Kennedy Agyapong. This is what these guys are trying to make sure say those guys will not go out to vote. You know. But me, and so a young guy. Mami Amasaras, you are right. He's working for the NDC as candidate in 2024. Yes. The me and say we are one guy. We are young guy. Now DMPP achi. Nenam say o boss anwe nenti. Ube disare se onkonko toaba. The history of this party, every promise, every election to choose a leader of the party, it has never been smooth. And yes, smooth to that. From Yura Kufo, any Adubu Aheso, from Yura Kufo, any Alancha Mantenso, any Yura Kufo, and a Contana, Bruni Mino, Yura Kufo, and Alancha Manten. It has never been easy. It has always been give and fought. But the Aquan say this time around the FN 2024 and 2028, you are DB your friend in social media, a powerful, the Obercabiano, you to me then every corner you keep. Now the Barbonten out here. There has never been any promise in our country called Ghana. Easy. It's one more agony. Wagene da team anye kese anche a chen wakoma eda uyama ubedi nkwasi asem because empanfo na omudidi alanchamanchen na chi yewura dubu ahiachi. After everything no, they came back to their party and they worked for the glory of their party. And you should be only an NDC member. That will make you say me nye adwuma mfa ma party no se me boss wa nwene a Kennedy no nwene ene odi jai sem na munya nsem na amoka muntwa so na onwene ma ne yeye pese mo mama bi na nya adwuma enkwasiafo we they will use their psychological manner to make you become part of a group or the victims of the MPP party which does not exist but they will create it for you. On beshira share their mamo say mo ye victims of the party anymore in year. Now there I'm coming to show you something. They
say because of party unity, after all these things, in some way you gather your people to follow Bawumia to go and campaign to make Bawumia president. Now low life way catch the water bottom. You cannot lead the MPP.
Now in some na one come for Kennedy Agyapong abodam nko the Kennedy Agyapong uti one money say one money bodam ni one money wudini you are there some na one come for Kennedy Agyapong John Mahama kran and atembe na ufani John Mahama awene Jimmy to say mom na obekire MPP for the omonye hwenanim kwasi ampanyi ni we enam nkwasiafo bi omon kasa Kennedy Agyapong atnase hu se omoye mmoanti Jimmy ni we timi so no na obekire MPP for the yenka de omonye kwanya omumfa so nkoto kwasi ampanyi ni we mama wianko am akwa papa timi yo enam sakwo we timi atnase no se Kennedy Agyapong krofo no bebre ne yemmoa bebre omom kasa wo media no bebre na Jimmy they make some allegations be a nyansa nemuntino onim so obetumi convince one with this manner of doing bra me catch you Kennedy Agyapong ni po kasa wo media so ya aboa Jimmy di because all your party member mpa internal election ti utimi ekoton a regional chairman utimi koton no de ma an opponent party edintro about utu ankasa utimi file document fake documents na with their competition or party member ana utimi bejina TV so eka se me party member we ya kromfo we wi sika o ha we disika o ha onya aboa Jimmy enka o adwene da utim we yansa ni wadwene adwuma enti enam se akoye hu se enkwasiafo no omodo so no omadwene adwuma enti no he's using psychologically me o say Anthony Mwakwaba or the nadwene divert omo akrokro mo akanya the emotion kakra to so na or pamo ogon interest kakra na ewo mu 1pp mu no. That is what this foolish guy is doing. But what Jimmy and obeji akọ ni se mo kan would be funny serious. So woni mu nyansa and ansem akọ we ka be funny serious because there no way ought to way. There na fu na mfro etwetwa hot say do fruit no. Ensem o ka fa wo nipa na wodi na chi ho no. Ye bo a kire wa obesu. Kennedy dey awful. We a man so be fra ko we akese odene bone a kire. O me na campaign man. I said the papa with Timmy Fred Maria Makobuadu and Manico in the studio pa quatra sekasa ye after what can sema himself fatafan and one of there. This man is capable of everything. And I will not wonder if tomorrow or another day I hear say Kennedy Agyapong or one kasa for phone Africa Kevin Taylor so fan born in cello. It can happen. That will tell you how this man is weak.
I'll be disappointed. Say, after all this, say we Kennedy Agyapong, I was sorry. Say, I am going to follow Bawumia. Some boy we will see you as a madman. Because Uncle say a hook a crampo beton so. Say, asama mi be manwa king, a your party na mi wom, party wom, only position. Bawumia na hwe no abronya de oyema Bawumia na ye den na low life way ohie ni ba na sesro ha nyina etutu eye artificial na hye otumitina radio so ka say wo Kennedy ye bia wa adwene so no wa bodam you don't deserve ono ne boss Bawumia on board am o asante na all kan no asante na all kan akira wo Kennedy Agyapong and it's so I just want to ask my Kennedy maybe some a simple question it's when you and we are upon in some kofo when you king and how aggressive they are just because of power. Are you going to tell your people, your beloved followers, who are going to be beaten on election day? Some of them who are going to lose their lives, which I know for a fact, because the Bawumia MPP, they have decided to do everything to win these elections.
Yes, you win.
Eddie Kennedy, are you going to get up and come stand on TV and say Ghana for me pese me di Bawumia chi na Bawumia equity president into Montoma Bawumia? Are you going to do that?
What is
is that what you represent?
You say Kennedy Agyapong so no ne emotion mu e hare kakra. Enti wa sha se ono so no work on Kennedy Agyapong. You see, this guy is fooling Kennedy Agyapong. He is completely fooling Kennedy Agyapong and his supporters because where that about Ghana now same way no Ghana Ghana. You just listen.
I do this point.
That's true.
And I'm for you every man be normal. You can't throw normal.
Yeah.
Obi to me can't some to president so no facts. Obi to me etna dem normal kuku jandam no they are saying nipa. Today ofa bibia and I win a car way and I win a car way. As far as unkuta facts no there oh how. It jandam no there it should not slide. The moment you have more space, you say you have more space. No, that is how they are built. And I'm talking about the MPP.
Okay.
I'm not going to sit here and I'm in my own say they make a party for BSM. Okay. A MPP. My show my boy is a surprise. Me guno. I will nullify it. 2028 me guno. Me catch on say enter Ashanti region.
And this is what you are saying. Kana. That's no. I am going to say. Kwanye obe faswa. Obe boa. Ama ntawantawane watimi na wakame na menteme ho ase wa MPP na bekoso enti se kwase ampanyi ne yeyu we Kennedy Agyapong supporter now this was about it na where can emotion expression oye ne ya say ye kan asem bi eti sade a chide Kennedy ena ba ne sem kura na sabi okoka etimi gina ho ehwe Kennedy anim e kan asem o ka menua he em fan serious oboa the ekoso wa MPP na ye normal. It's part of the politics. I normal. Otujaba na matuja di eshiao. Tumi na yeko penu. Ye nada emu mpetumi. Yeka na wankabia ye bua fa uswako. Enti uye Kennedy Agyapong supporter na ye really so young people niya. Kennedy Lusua fa hobe John Dr. Bawumia because Dr. will represent the MPP, not Dr. Bawumia. Because more Kennedy for Kurano, more much less according to Musimu Nipa 1.7. Ghana Mamu, Yamfa 1.7 million, and when election money ye. It is our trauma question penny with the wagon, a diagro. Now, Oman to know there were. Would you mo pa month na fee, Mamma Metoba, my Dr. Bawumia, na Dr. Nisa say, copium. Na monko, you will see what will happen to you guys. Ebeye mowa. Why in the first one, 2024? Munipan wama. One man on so no, one man crofo mudine chisum piabo and tram kotwaba. Samosa in 2028 ya, Bawumia obetchena. Na so twene ho a monipa na oba bejira he will lose in the manner he will never forget it in his life because sa 41.7 no we are die hard of Dr. Bawumia and we are going to vote again for Dr. Bawumia everybody and samo ama na ekoye de ebeya Dr. Betchina, now the Kennedy number, you will see what will happen to you. I promise is a promise. Nkambe jane free Ghana. because of defeat Kennedy befa. Now, I may a minute through here, my main counsel upon everything that we do. I may a pass Kennedy Agyapong to me and then the supporters and then in Krofon Kasa. That's even if they want to talk about Dr. Bawumia, they can talk about Dr. Bawumia. But to a point to say, Kennedy Nkrofo to me translate denigrated the image of the party calling people, you know, and then I'm doing one man just say because I can take it say okay, Kennedy and Dr. Bawumia and they pray to me, you know, in front. That is it. You are doing to me when Bawumia Agyapong to me when Elon Musk on to me when money ye. So if there should be even give and take between Kennedy supporters and Dr. Bawumia supporters, it is acceptable, maybe not so harsh. But second, Kennedy Agyapong Nkrofo to me for microphone, camera, every camera nim, a Kasaditia party, no, a Juma party near 2016 to 2024, ye body tugu. Now you consider even say MPP from point 4 to the point to say, Kennedy Agyapong Nkrofo the idea we have about and say Nkrofo motika nyina Nana Danko Akufo the former appointees omo nyina ya Nkrofo the Nkrofo bus. It is a twayam mama kansa mo nkyere twayam e ma who say yes ye ne nkwasiafo pa ene wo party. It is more acceptable such thing from an NDC man. But say MPP ni pa, obi oso ye MPP ni, utumye bibi eti say now security, now say ya ma kwan, e ma leader, emedi party na name no. I think say Jimmy Patao. But what I want to ask is, just assuming without admitting, say Kennedy enwene Asembe no be kanchire Ghana for mo agina so de ato abama no. Yo Ahmed Mutalo makwaba. Asembe na Kennedy beka. Na CB ye wura je kofo ka asembi say whoever wins ye wura Dr. Bawumia ka ye na nado ka asembi say whoever wins the primaries of 2026, you know, the person is going to campaign based on je kofo adwuma. Any or no Nana Danko Akufo adwuma. Paul Bio Makwaba. And this is what now. So we Kennedy Agyapong supporter. And for that matter, you know, the whole leadership of the party, Omoya Nkrofo, Omoya Jimmy Fo, Ompo Mwasem, Omunye Nipa, Omo Amobra, Omo Anhwe party fo, Omo Anya Juma Bia, Omo Mine mu yeden. Why now can you know na uli dane when ya message ben na on the bekwa komagana for so omo hweso na omo mfanto abama ha anyi Jimmy entimi yaba mi yabe ma wo hweme asem wei onjini se omo ye saade we Jimmy kakra ebato omuti and almost sorry, free and fair. Now, a brana ye wura Dr. Bawumia ye vice president impo. Yet to Obama one kasa wo candidate ni bejina bonten kanchire Ghana for say we free and fair. Abra no ye vice president to. Akobi Jima, thank you. Abrana Dr. Bawumia oye vice president na owo to me owa kade the to me as the second gentleman of the land ekuran nsem na ne boss na ono na oye the first gentleman of the land na osanso the chief command of the Ghana Armed Forces. Yet to aba Emma Kennedy Bejira Bonten can say Bibia was free and fair. Sabre no more. So and then Emma Tumijina Hobeka say you want free and fair because Chima Mam Fonsa, are you stupid? 7,000 workers. Are you stupid? Baby, how are you? Oh, yeah. Ah, who did you on the Monquayana? Oh, San Quaya won't Jawasum. And then, but yeah, it is very sad to say we have come to this point where, because of internal premises, the whole structure of the party, are considered by some party members as criminals. Hey, you see, Chama won't to me. Emra Yoko Monday, Kennedy Agyapong crow for a bomb on some. I didn't take Chama won't to me and support to Kennedy Agyapong. Silent 3 years. My Ramuchia Quine. And indeed, there be a mechano. Say, na mo ye dear, any a monko. Namuni CPP for Monkoka CPP home. Monko. Namuni and this for Monko Yamunuma mom. Send a tedia, Monko. That's up your sabio. Monfa Montoma and Concobo Haduna Drisu, Nediano, and answer. Monpenny Pafufro Bena Monfa Montoma and Cobone Diano, Namunia Jumamom. Na yet, I'm Pipi Amanyoko na umbetu ya dia moye because and some fata. It is senseless. Logically, it doesn't sound as a well-sounded human being. Che, and so you'll be a wadri muda hopefe, adreno, yadi be a name. Sadi when so you need to be a wadri yajuma ye, unim dia woyo. Wadri yajuma. What in that without him on your juma because the Adeba Kwa Kennedy Agyapong Crawford Munyanti Asian said, the Kennedy ye yinano, the all you yina, say, on Pese Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, a baby president, because was this a Dr. Bano baby president? Your papa be a friend can atefa. Asa papa no oni Dr. Bawumia ye one oye nipa ono na Dr. Bawumia ejine tumu pa sa papa na Dr. Bawumia ejine tum no ojine tum to the point to say it is almost said to say Dr. Bawumia ba no oba be ye president of the republic kenate fa no ono na be ye chief staff so no oni ne control bibia. But Kennedy Agyapong himself, Papa is so disciplined to the point to say, oh no, obey chief of staff. A new man was MPP for Yano, and a new man Ghana Maya Bayano, on Fahun in our contract, and Fam Kennedy Agyapong. And the Kennedy says, Anna Tedia, Sebeko go Padia, Kenko Kona. Say MPP are buying, Eba Betra Kunyam, na contract ya MPP Bema. Yam family the ope answer the beer more PDA and a son tedia and cocona. Now listen to this video. I want you to listen to this video very carefully because it is very, 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 very important. The video way and now we have a video, but I want to repeat it for you to listen. Who also the Kennedy Agyapong chair audience Kennedy Agyapong is there because of you. I want you to listen to this video very carefully. Listen.
To save the president, so customer party for Betty. I'm telling media they can't crash. Is it maybe operate with the assumptions? Go Casa Crano because I know that uncomfortable working with party people. Said your name is and someone, as someone said, was here candidato papanos. A party already know. Your statement is paving way for group easily. I have to let him know. I have to let Bawumia know that Papa is causing damage to him because he is the best man. And he is Now we best man there's already chief of staff. Say no be permanent people.
Yeah, no obia.
Hey, some say be no make catch no.
Obia no.
So one twinu one free no one. Ya be ma wo revenge. Say atefa pa is still with Bawumia. La. What? For him to make that statement against MPP people? Yari di enkwase fu enu adwuma. Yan ko school denti. Ko fire. President Ekufa Rampasa okaza. Hey. Nana ntiminka. No kasa pa. Nana kasa wontumi nya sosesa. Me catchro. Say nana tumi catchre MPP for say we don't deserve jobs in this country. Nana, you can't choose president for us. Mama bai. Let's control.
Teniye pa. Enti nanado asembe ne siye. Aseme siye ne na me kyerɛkyerɛm. Bo nyina ne sɛ NIA for no. Ghana Identity Authority. Ghana Identification Authority for. Ghana card ne yom no. Ghana company bi wo na no ye adwuma no. Papa wo se yemfa man nyo. E na omo si da bi omo man nyo na nanado se enyuma no e ma yemfa nyuma ne nyina ma MPP fo nko a na yemmo madene se Ghana for so omo competent meritocracy obi onim adwuma no yo no yemfa man nyo bi entikinate fa e na ka kire ken se omma ne nyo sa adwuma ne man yeye. Because Ajumano, the Ghana firm company oil. Now, listen to this video very well. It be a video on young Teneda, but Mohammed Tinya research, ecosystem near free baby. The video you, but I am for contract non farm maken. Actually, contract no, yet the money powerful for no. A same way na Kennedy TV so
He embarrasses everybody. Now the officer make announce they are meeting go with the one and stories in the trusty. I say, cast your burden unto Jesus, for he cares for you.
Amen.
One and NIA. He be any what? Send the American nurse, the American moving people. Send the American community, won't it? But many time what answer one by one, and you see, and the one. I rest my case.
President,
no, but it's under your watch.
But Missy and the one. National identification.
But the process is slow.
Now, question. Yes, they almost say
the process is slow.
The process is what slow? Was it 1.2 billion?
Yeah, that's correct.
1.2 billion.
A balance again.
1.2 billion. Hey. 1.2 Ghana is
what's your problem
1.2 billion.
Are we looking at efficiency, competence, and
rubbish?
With this
the word is
modern technology.
Modern technology. You are talking to a population of 30 million.
No, oil there.
1.2 billion. Now who see will be at the 1.2 billion Eco Bank of Ghana? Who can want some? And you the other 4 million here. Now a do MPP swap. So now 1.2 billion. How's it? When another kind was who better the food. This man is now saying, say, and you sabotage. When he met and confirmed was late, building no more because you want this from one apart from one chassis. Was it me for India for Benti? And I may say, woman, men another kind. Also, but you play the food.
More bidding.
Yeah, yes, I brought Indians, me a businessman.
No one want Jahi. So that we advocate for it.
And you're very cheap. They were not even asking for $50 million. What? So why are you telling me 1.2 billion? Are you mad? Are you mad?
$1.2
Ghana here. NDC
$50 million.
Yes,
as against 1.2 billion.
Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? What do you mean?
But probably $50 million was not going to do
the efficiency. A renowned company in the world. There are 2 companies in India with a population of 1.2 billion. The northern sector and the southern sector. The southern sector for 600 million people. Can you compare that to 30 million for you to tell me they are not competent? Then they were willing to take 50 million and you 1.2 billion. Are you out of your mind? I serve my country. I don't serve any political party. Case closed. I serve Ghana. I don't serve any political party. For you to come and tell us 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion for what? Maybe 200 Ghana cedis. Who do a pegam quanta? 200 Ghana cedis. Any aton body. Are you crazy? Move go Ghana. Move go forward.
And this is what you sa a hand time we are not papa any and horror. And yes, say, or no, I could nipa be a bomb so 50 million now or canon. A yenny yes say 1.2 billion no. Amma or no the bottom na a conipa fufro bottom. Always play smart. This is the reason why your papa way a giga cra. Because here, or see oko hotel baby no so kwa koye bed no bi. Tio, abaya juma, you don't just take it and give to anybody that you want. That be, we have commission of inquiry. Yeah, the bed never to who file it. Who file ya? Na commission na jina swahwe. The service that you want to offer, the cost that it will cost. They will take all the companies, the quality of your service, everything. Not they will compare. They will see service more useful to what they need. Now, the more convenience in terms of price. But Kennedy Agyapong wanted to, this time he was praying mischief. Nobody, there is nowhere in this world that Juma only 50 million beye obibe to me aton Adiama Ghana buying at 1.2 billion. Oh, bra, we are talking about digital identity. Where Ghana card no, a digital identity and the Kitayen, the UK phone, and then Omubaba Yebino. And the one thing they said. Other Kennedy Agyapong wanted to offer Ghana a cheap service and the type of service now due Dr. Bawumia or and I say Papa Yotu o Jan Trokesiepa will miss 50 million or be almost the same amount of money. But the names or no sa contract another company say the no or con Ediamagana mine into your BT Johnson Babia. Onye 200 Ghana into Waja Obwa Ojare Waja Kudivia Waja Nane say Sikano and Kwankudi the bottom. And from there and our Shasia and our father Bonnie say he will do whatever he can do to make sure say some people baba power kurampona some man kenate fana no ye de NANIF or CEO no only in charge of chief of staff because on himself some man no he doesn't give contract to people just for giving contract sake, but he does it with value for money issues. I mean in terms of quality of service. And a man also no will never close his eyes and give all contract to Kennedy Agyapong. And then Kennedy Agyapong sign called Dr. Bawumia Fie ekobona amane say so person minyai contest na ma me no nko agreement na promise me say every year you will give me more than $1 billion contract. It is all kind same way nyina bom here e kire wo say de papa ne ye no wona udi na chi a wo ye dede no why he is doing everything for his personal interest. I want to repeat this again. Say he can't same way nyina bom. He can't same way nyina bom. Na ye pia at the batu table no so. Na wo trase wo ho. Na wo ye arrangement so ye 1+1 2+2 zalomanos 1 na okay kan nyina bom a it actually tell you say asema papa no kan. Nsem na okay kan. And yet for you, the ordinary Ghanaian, he's working for his personal income, personal pocket. And you won't see an oye de deno. And this out now, come out all the wagon idea agora. MPP aban na oba or provide policies, social interventions nipa bia nya so mfaso no ubedi obi na fu achi nti ama saa nneɛma no ahwere wo fase wo nana o papa because Kennedy man MPP amanyo konuma akonyam and this for beba mbado bo korono ba beje wo tax no mo de adi wo bottom. That is who he is. Enti abronye ka kire we nra se sa abronye nra o ka kire se Kennedy Agyapong man sika $50,000 so onko se cannot take far. This was the reason. But just this is what can never in your album. So he can never win in your album. Yes, Kobe. So he can never in your album. You get me correct. That be a catch Kennedy Agyapong supporters and say, me am it. Every interview of Kennedy Agyapong since when he started coming on the radios, Matieni Nina Kopim 2024, 2023, Abrosha say no ye campaign to become the flag bearer. What I mean, Jai say, Matieni interviews. Enti, Ebane say, Young Kopim reference about Kennedy Agyapong, me number one. Anything I miss Facebook, anything Facebook so, your friend Kennedy Agyapong Jr. No. Me, I was one of the first people almost here a brogo with videos of Kennedy Agyapong. Enti minim ni videos nyina. Sa video me boche o be brain kai. Better me kai pa. That time I didn't know the reality. I thought to say, Papa no can okre. Say a dear cost to 50 million. Now, MPP are buying what ton with the contract money for at 1.2 billion. Why? But ene. Make a can send binum boom and the yatitino. I simply say the man was fighting exclusively for his own benefit. And this of you. Obi a opa adwuma ya adwuma ne cost 1.2 billion. Obi opa adwuma o say adwuma ne ye 1.2 billion. $50,000 esakura ma no se obeye dan o de be ma obi say ko say nipa we na adwuma ne mra mensem. Ti abronya asem okanati we ti asem ti video
e bra ko fa company free China buy na wo be contract ya say $500 million na kanate fa say on fa contract ne ma no at your office ewo Oman FM uyi sika to table so $50,000 me our man bring the CCTV camera in 2018 Fabato 1 2018 our office $50,000 say station bia me koto bia no me make sure say me attack Professor Kennedy Fama ma yinadi because aduma na open ya aduma kase na on saka ubetima boaye amaye yie nti menye 50,000 station bia me ma bronya me koso no me attack Professor Kennedy na aduma ne ba wo discan bi na me se masika ne wo na me ma omuaye bisa say wuti se me ba wo ntense for scan ma me ka tro say won take the money ma ne wo Uti semi ba unchense ape de faskano mama na me kwa taki Professor Kennedy never woman me $50,000 semi kwa taki Professor Kennedy manye that is abronye me no nti akire say obi antimi ntamadwene me say wo Kennedy Agyapong woman me $50,000 say me attack Professor Kennedy because we pay contract worth over $500 million in one family and now free se min lead crusade entia atefana na do nyinu manye enti se wo di $50,000 by one man to me 2018 and then obi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beto me na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na owa aban mu and no president
so what you it is all can same way nyina boma asema abronye kan ye nokore Kofi Kofi apia enye mobile interoperability asem na ye kan Ghana card no the issuing and the chip and all those things, for 30 million people, and no one said na yeka. So uti ensema bronye ken okekani nyina aboma. Uti mu say asema bronye kan no something very true. Because se o said the Kennedy Agyapong
he embarrasses everybody.
We kwa furious e wo ha na agitation bra e na bronye kan an amount of about $500 million. And a wete, a case a wete and faso a womb. In 2 years, we are 500 million a year on faso. So let's assume say what the 700 million and a baya. We are 500 million a year on faso. Okaboma 1.2 billion. It this man that never and ever gave an amount, did not ever demanded for $50 million to do the same job that Ghana paid 1.2 billion. But in India for ye fake. A national identity a Jumana ye. Ukofa falling company or bena or we no copy near mano, no cotton the ma any international agency for investigation. Uti Ghana so to could now to go up on time. So that's why they boycott him. But the man was furious. He was very furious because he did not get that contract. This is the reason why Kennedy Agyapong hate Dr. Bawumia. The entire Kennedy, Dr. Bawumia the presidency agre. Na subo si yake Dr. Bawumia ba be di president no. Ni nyina say Dr. be di president ya. To me nya kwanya mokro no na wabon wo manum for very long time in the country obian to me kan ho asem but this is all. There is nothing else somewhere. This is all. I was saying for me the one say but my main kind comments kakra na emphasis enti abusia and trauma can be tell them for arguing in Yagro because of boss no the other vote we know the other will number a we yanti ase or the numbers na pe e the contract sebo me ebe write contract say member this amount of contract every year. Yem fancy ade